Evaporative cooler switches are the control center of your cooling system. They manage three critical functions that work together to provide effective cooling. The switch controls main power to turn the entire unit on or off, fan speed to adjust airflow intensity, and the water pump to manage water circulation through the cooling pads. Most residential evaporative coolers operate on standard 120-volt household power, while larger commercial units require 240 volts to handle their increased power demands. There are three main types of switches used in evaporative coolers. This control panel shows a multi-position rotary switch with settings for off, pump only, low and high ventilation, and low and high cooling modes. This wiring diagram shows the typical connections for a two-speed motor and pump system. Residential units typically require a 15 to 20 amp breaker with 12 AG wire for safe operation. Most importantly, always turn off power at the breaker before beginning any electrical work. This is the fundamental safety rule that prevents electrical shock and injury. Proper wire gauge selection is critical for safe evaporative cooler installation. The wire must handle the electrical load without overheating or voltage drop. For 15 amp circuits, 14 AWG wire is the minimum requirement, but 12 AE is strongly recommended. For 20 amp circuits, 12 AWG wire is mandatory. Industry experts recommend 12 AWG wire minimum because evaporative cooler motors create high inrush current during startup, which can cause voltage drops and premature switch failure with undersized wiring. All wire connections must be made in weatherproof junction boxes using wire nuts rated for outdoor use. This protects connections from moisture and environmental damage. Proper equipment grounding is crucial for safety. The ground wire provides a safe path for electrical faults, protecting users from shock and preventing electrical fires. GFCI protection is essential for outdoor cooling equipment. Proper GFCI installation reduces electrical hazards by 95%, making it a critical safety component. After completing all wiring connections, thorough testing is essential. Verify all functions work correctly before finalizing the installation to ensure safe and reliable operation. Remember, always turn off power at the breaker before beginning any electrical work. When in doubt, consult a qualified electrician to ensure safe installation.